Nigeria is eating up her own. It is no longer news that Nigeria happened to Chimamanda Adichie, who lost her 21-month-old son on 6th of January 2026. We're going to be looking at what actually played out, but we're going to be coming from a different angle. Immediately news broke about her son's death, we saw the APC Ronus, who are the lowest set of humans currently inhabiting the earth, try to push agenda. Of course, we know in their camp they have the attackers, the midfielders, the defenders, and the rest of them. So they sent forth one of their attackers, or she took the initiative and dropped a bigotry infested tweet, and others jumped at it and dropped very mean and horrible comments. We're going to be looking at those. Okay, so this is from Sister Lino, and she says, "My condolences to Chimamanda and her family on the death of their son. This is a loss that no parent should ever carry. But two things must be said. First, notice the hypocrisy. If it had happened in Nigeria, the usual loudmouth would have rushed out to say Nigeria happened to her. They would have blamed hospitals, government, and the entire country. Now it happened in the United States, and suddenly there is silence, no outreach, no blame, no analysis of their healthcare system, just quiet. That tells you everything you need to know about their dishonesty. Secondly, look at how Nigerians responded. The president, the public, and people across ethnic lines all set politics aside and showed sympathy. This is culture. That is decency. Yet there is a group that never changes. They are the same people who mocked Anthony Joshua in his moment of pain. One of them said, 'Thank you, Jesus.' They celebrated suffering when it doesn't belong to their side. That is the difference. One side understands humanity, the other side only understands hatred. And upbringing always shows." Okay, you could smell the bigotry from afar. And of course, her fellow Ronu bandits jumped in. And this one says, because the news later broke out that it happened in Nigeria. And one of them said, "How many hospitals should not build for our papa village? I been at they do lesbian na waiting she sabi." You can imagine. This one, Olori whatever, said, "Why would you bring your child to Lagos?